Hello there, it's Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you some key signal updates that you need to try or you need to know. And I know a lot of you haven't tried it out yet. So first of all, what you have to do is you click on this icon right here at the top corner, left top corner, and you hit on your number like this, and you're going to see this option. Initially, you just had the option to just change your name right here, but now you have an option that is like an about page, or a part where you're going to be able to just type in whatever you are doing or whatever status you have at that moment, and all your friends are going to see what is up right there. So you can even change it to anything. They have free options where you can pick in between all these ones: speak freely, encrypted, be kind, coffee lover, and also you can just put it there, and then a lot of people are just going to see that about or status right there. So that is one new feature they added to this app, and you guys need to try it out. The next one I want to share with you guys is the chat wallpaper, where you're going to go to your settings and come to appearance. When you come to appearance, you're going to see a chat wallpaper right here. Initially, you are going to see theme and then language. So when you hit on a chat wallpaper, you are entitled to just set a wallpaper for all the chats you have with people, and you can just use this right here. These pictures you are seeing right here, you can just use them. This colors right here, you can just pick in between any of them, and you set your wallpaper. You hit on set wallpaper beneath right here, and it's going to be able to just set, and you're going to see everything in all the chats. You can choose to change the toggle to either light theme or dark theme, and that is very cool. So when you go back to your chats like this and then you hit on it, you're going to see every chat with this color you just picked, and that is one cool thing. You can also pick a picture from your gallery, where you're going to hit on this part right here, set wallpaper. So when you hit on it, you're going to hit on change from photos. So when you hit on change from photos, you're going to be able to just pick any picture you used, or even, that is one cool thing I think I've liked about this one. You're going to be able to just pick a scene in one of your videos, and I think that is not really cool. It's a bit blurry, but you can just pick between a picture you have on your phone, and you can just use that as your chat wallpaper. And that is basically one cool thing I think they've tried or they've added to this. That is very nice. So I can choose to just pick this picture, and I can choose to blur the background like this, and it's going to look like this. And I think this feature is very cool. I've not seen it on any other chat messenger or something. So when we just turn this on like this, we hit on set wallpaper, and then we go back, we're going to see everything right here. So you see the wallpaper right here, and that is basically cool. So another basic feature they added, I think that is very cool, is changing wallpapers in between chats, right? So you see I have this wallpaper right here for this group, and then I have the same wallpaper right here. So I can choose to change the wallpaper in this group, and I'll still have the other wallpapers being the same as this one I used. So when I hit on this group name like this, and then I come to chat wallpapers and then set wallpaper, I want to change the wallpaper for this group. So I'm done, and I go back like this. So you see the group has a different wallpaper right now, and then when I hit on this one, it has a different wallpaper, and when I hit on this, you're gonna see it has the same wallpaper as I used initially, right? So that is basically one cool feature you guys need to try too. And the final update they added is the sticker column, right? So when you hit on a sticker column like this, and then you hit on this plus sign right here, and you go through the stickers, you're going to see this day by day right here. Initially it wasn't in the previous or the first updates we had, so you're going to see these ones right here, and that is basically cool. You are entitled to just send more animated stickers right now, and I think that is very cool. So when I hit on it like this and I just tap on it, and I've been able to just send these animated stickers. I'm just waiting to see when they are going to allow us to use our own images and all to just create stickers, and I'm gonna come at you guys and then show you guys. But if you still want to get updates of this app very quickly, like I do get it, because some of the updates that I share with you guys are updates I get more than it comes to the normal people or everyone who uses this app. So if you want to do that, you see I'm part of the beta users. That means I get updates earlier than you guys do get. But if you want to know more, or you want to just get the updates earlier like I do, I'm just going to share a video in my description which you guys can just speed up this updates, and it's going to be very helpful for you. So I hope you like this video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos and tips on all applications, all social networks, and how to make money with mobile apps and all. So stick around for more videos, and then catch you in the next one.